I skipped thermo today to study for my next midterm that's tomorrow, and I just had a brainwave while I was studying. Me and my friend John were discussing plotting x squared on a three-dimensional axes, like with imaginary x and y, and we were busy discussing how you see what it looks like. Well, I just came up with a way to do that. We came up with this partially yesterday, but here we go. So we have y equals x squared. Now if we're working with complex numbers, I think you can do this. Y equals x plus j squared, where j is going to be a variable that defines our imaginary axis. So then we expand this and we get y equals x squared, and then x times j and j times x. It's going to be plus 2xj. And then we know that 2j's is a negative, so we go negative j squared. Now we just treat j like z, for example. It's just another variable. So then we can plot this on a 3D graph, and I'll show it to you now. But if you think about it just quickly, you can kind of get an idea. This is your x, this is your j, and this is your y-axis. If you plot in the xy axis here, you're going to get a parabola that's going up like this. And then we know that y, if we make x is 0, if we set x to 0 and x to 0, it cancels out those two terms, and you have negative j squared. So this is just an inverted parabola in the yj plane. So in your yj plane here, it would just be coming up like that, and it would go down like that. It's kind of hard to see, so I'll show you a 3D graph now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that.